Marina, and I'm calling because I found a very beautiful flower arrangement in my room, and I want to know who is responsible for this.
It's our famous florist, Mara Ferris.
Mara, great. Can you please tell me where I can find Mara?
So you can find her on the little patio next to the reception.
Good morning, I'm sorry.
It's okay, nice to meet you. I was looking for you because this morning in the room I have found one of the most amazing flowers bouquet. So I wanted to meet you because you are a flower specialist and you're offering beautiful views and images to people and colors, and it's just adorable.
Thank you. But if you wish, you can do a bouquet with me. I just start to do one. So I let you choose the flowers that you like, the colors that you wish.
So you will teach me to do a bouquet?
Yeah, we will do together.
It will be amazing. These are garden roses. Mara, these are smelling amazing. I will take 3.
Sure. Start with the bigger flowers, or the most important for you that had to be in the middle of the bouquet.
Okay.
So for me it's the garden roses, but probably for you is another flower.
No, I think this is the queen.
Just turn the bouquet. Oh, you have done already one.
I think I'm just stealing from your energy.
So, great. Normally we had to turn always in the same.
Always in the same direction.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
Okay.
So you can mix with others.
Okay.
Flowers, you can add tulip, or the tulip gonna grow up in the water. So if they are just down from the other flowers, is not important, because in the water they continue to grow.
Excellent. Another tulip on this side,
And here,
no, maybe
probably there.
Yes.
You can turn it like this.
This one as well.
Yeah, like
Okay.
that. Turn it. And the last one.
And the last one. And now this is more compact than before.
Yeah.
And this one I should.
And
turn.
you can have the tulip stay
with this.
with this.
Okay.
And normally you go on the same level all around.
All around, so I can create like a sphere or half of it.
Normally put
Some
more
leaves.
leaves. And I think that you had to have the 2 garden roses
The 2.
left.
Nice.
Okay. The important thing that these stems are clean, because after when you put in the water they had to stay clean.
Turning. One
Yeah,
flower
a little
turning.
bit turning.
Little bit, but turning.
The last garden roses.
The last garden
Yeah,
rose.
probably there.
Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, and
Yes.
it's okay. Like this.
A little. Okay.
Up.
I would like to add 1 ranunculus here and 1, I think, over here. Yes. And my last one.
Wow. Really good. It's very nice. Really do a great job.
Thank you so very much, Mara.
Very nice.
Thank you so very much for making my day so beautiful. It's my first bouquet. Thank you.
It was a pleasure, really, and I hope that you will do, I don't know, many more.
Hopefully, with your help, yes. I wish you a lovely day, Mara, and see you
for
soon.
you too.
Thank you.
See you soon. Thank you.
Ciao.
Thank you to you. Bye.